Encourage open communication. No, meron ako natutunan sa church namin, sa CCF, na napaka-helpful pag natanong ko yung aking pamilya, how have I hurt you? So, sa tanong pa lang na yun, how have I hurt you? Sinasabi ko na okay, baka may nagawa ako sa iyo. And that will already open the windows for communication. The doors for communication. Is there anything that I can do better? Yung isa pang nagbubukas na, willing magpatama si Papa. Willing mag-change si Papa. And then the last is, will you forgive? So, in the family, guys, kahit tayong mga tatay, sometimes we do some things that hurt our wives, hurt our children. Asking for forgiveness or apologizing from our mistake will really enable our family to see that in this house, walang perfect nagkakamali and we are willing to admit our mistake.